Welcome to One UI 6 Beta 2, running on my Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. And of course this Android 14. This has been the second beta, and in this video I am going to show you all the animations in the beautiful 4K 60 FPS video so that you can see for yourself where Samsung are at animations. Now, you probably are reading Twitter or X like I do, and there are a lot of things. People like them, people don't like them. So this video is going to give you this very unique chance for yourself to decide if what you see on the screen is good. So without any further ado, I'm going to start with the always on display, going to the lock screen. All right. I'm running DWQ HD Plus resolution, and of course I'm using 120 Hz. So it's adaptive refresh rate, but it goes up to 120 Hz. Now I'm going to show you guys the unlock animation. Okay, that's it. One more time. And now I'm going to show you insights, so navigation. From my home screen, I'm going to go to the left where I have Google Now, do some scrolling, right? Go back on my home screen. Now this here, all right? And of course also see how the phone handles the rotation. Okay, and one more time like this. Okay. Going back on my home screen, I'm going to swipe to get a notification. All right, one more time to get the quick toggles. Okay, I'm gonna also show you here, guys, the device control. All right. And now going back on my home screen. And now I'm gonna go to the left, showing the rest of the screen. So I have some widgets there. Later I'm going to test also the widgets. Now, one more swipe up will get me to my app drawer. Here I can perform the search, and here I have all my applications, and as you can see, there are plenty of them. Okay, now I will show you the recents menu. So all the applications, I pretty much have everything. Now what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm going to show this one more time and then kill all and start the applications from new. So first we're gonna test the folder opening. All right, and now I'm gonna start opening some applications. First one is Telegram, going back to the home screen, Messenger, going back to the home screen, Facebook, and also trying to scroll there, going back to my home screen. Now some Viber, trying to scroll there as well, home screen, Instagram, okay, scrolling through Instagram, going to the left to access the camera. All right, one more time, okay, and same with TikTok. Opening TikTok, waiting for the load, trying to explore some things. Yeah, I have to give access, guys, because I'm not using this application, just for testing purposes. All right, trying to access the camera. Okay, flipping the camera one more time and going back to the main screen. Now, guys, what we're gonna do, I'm also gonna try to show you some widgets. So first is the weather. All right, with this beautiful animation, going back to the home screen. This is the animation. I have some other widgets here as well. One more time, another weather widgets, opening, closing, you can see the animation. And of course, guys, then we have the YouTube widgets, okay? YouTube widgets works just like that. And here we have also the new photo frame and the custom camera. Now, with that said, guys, let's try to also open applications in this mode. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to first try to close everything. All right, folder opening. Okay, open Telegram, going back to the home screen, Messenger. All right, home screen. Let's open Facebook. Oh, what? One more time. So let me just try to open the Facebook. All right, then the Viber, Facebook not optimized. Let's open Twitter or X. Okay, try to scroll down a bit, show you the scrolling speed, and just like that, scrolling and going inside the recents menu will make those things work like that. Now let me show you the Edge panel. I have here already some pretty fine configurations. So for example, I can open YouTube here together with the browser, and now I can just make like this. Okay, I can try to expand YouTube. Okay, make it in a pop-up window, go back to the home screen. Let's open Telegram. Let's make Telegram here also in a pop-up window. Let's try to minimize it. So here they are. We can kill them as well. And now let's open Viber. Try to do the same. Okay, here it is. All right, opening and closing. You can see. And now let me just hit here the close. Now let me open the camera. Camera opening. All right. going to different modes, changing also the cameras. One more time, open, change, close. Okay, let's close everything and now let's create a new combination. So I want to have this running together with another app, so I'm going to put it there, and here I'm going to select Twitter or X. All right, it's X, so I'm just going to type X. Yeah, where is this X? It's here. So right now we have the combination of Telegram with X. All right, we can try to make this as a favorite, so I'm just going to add this here to the Edge panel and also add this to the home screen. Now let's just go outside. All right, you can see if I go to the Edge panel, I'm gonna click here this combination, boom, here it is. All right, so I'm gonna go full screen on X. All right, and now one more time, just test the animation fluidity, boom, here it is. You know, we can switch it, right, and just maximize or minimize every application that you want. Going back to the home screen, going inside all the apps. All right, hitting the search button, let's just try to search for games, for example. Okay, we get game launcher here. I can open the game launcher. We can also try to start some games, so no promotions for me. And now let's open this game. Okay, all right, I'm just gonna try to kill the game. Let's open game launcher again and let's try to do this here in a landscape mode. So running the game, this game of course doesn't support landscape, but you can just see the animation when we are starting the game. Now let's check some Samsung stock application animation. So that's the dialer. All right, going inside the dialer, going outside. All right, here we have a few others. So let's open the clock, closing the clock, opening the photo, opening and closing. Okay, internet. Here we have the voice recorder. Okay, exit, clock. All right, and now guys, here again all the recent application. Let me go inside the gallery and show you some pics. This here is 50 megapixel, this is 12 megapixel. So all right, zooming in, zooming out, going back. All right, some pics I did yesterday testing the new camera. Just want to show you how, you know, the transitions are, and something also quite nice. Want to see how this works like this. Okay, this is also always been problematic on One UI if you have thousands of pictures. Okay, this is how it looks right now. So navigation to the camera. All right, the gallery one more time. Okay, 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 one more time. I'm gonna try to do some combos here. And this is pretty much the animations in One UI 6 Beta 2. Let me know what you think down below in the comments, guys. Where do you think Samsung should put efforts and improve? And if you'd like videos like these, don't forget to support the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, VST over and bye.